Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Xbox controller with the Apple TV. Let's get started. So this is the latest generation Xbox controller. I'll switch on by pressing this button. Now this is the pairing mode button. Just press and hold it. So it starts blinking continuously. Now open the Apple TV. Go to setting. Go back to main menu. Go to remotes and devices. Go to Bluetooth. So sometimes it doesn't detect while searching if you are far away from the device. So I have moved the Xbox controller close to Apple TV box. So now it is showing in the other device. I'll go ahead and select the Xbox controller. So it asks for pairing. I'll say pair. So now the Xbox controller is connected. Let's go ahead and play some sample game to see how it works. So I have installed this free game. It's called Real Racing 3. Works really well with the controller. Let's play this. So the game detects the controller and it says that both controller and the remote can be used to play the game. So these are the main keys. And A is the enter. It works similarly to the controller on the Xbox, but unfortunately these are not of much use. We'll start a race. So I am using this keypads to move the cursor. Now I'll start game. Hopefully they add more customization in the future, but right now it works really well. You can use the same method to connect the PS controller as well. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.